Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
35-year-old female has been diagnosed with obsessive compulsive disorder and she washes hands many times a day. What should be the best CBT technique? Best technique is response prevention. Exposure and response prevention is the best technique for OCD. Exposure and response prevention. Next.
the technique is actually exposure and response prevention, but in obsessive compulsive disorders, the first aim of anything is to stop the compulsions. We should stop the compulsions. That is most important in obsession and compulsive disorder. Hence, among these two, in order to choose between exposure and response prevention, the best technique, that is cognitive brain therapy technique for treatment, is response prevention. Thank you, and thank you for watching.